Yeah, guys, so happy 4th of July if you celebrate. I know some people do. It's my sister's birthday today, so happy birthday and happy birthday to anybody else. Disclaimer, I want to let you know I'm grateful for everyone and everything, and thank you. I'm grateful for all the stuff I got. Needle unboxing, by the way, and we have like 3 boxes, but it's basically 5 stuff. So first, the mini. Got a fun pup. Okay, there we go. I don't really want to cut it, because you know, it's a teal one, bro. I know there's crust flying off because I have no idea what happened to us. Because like, you know, but next there's a pink one that has a different texture. Okay, and last one, purple. And I'm supposed to be leaving, won't get ready soon for the 4th of July because there's fireworks and we have the fun. So there's a fireworks show at the boat ramp we're staying at. I'll take some videos of that because I have a transition. And also, I have to get ready and stuff. Okay, next is a needle nice side. I took it out already, so. Okay, last one because we have to get going soon because like the video's gonna end. Oh, somebody came in from the bathroom. The screen door is open. We got the NATO. It's the blue one. Look at the beauty. Okay, it's the Fuzzball Needle Wonder Waves. So let's open it. It says Needle, so it's a real Needle. Oh, it looks so cool. Oh my god. Side cramp, but it's okay. This is my favorite. I have a fuzz cat and another glow-in-the-dark one that's pink, but I don't have a fuzz ball. Those jumbo ones, but I really didn't want it because of the texture, but I take that back now. But love y'all. Bye.